Thank God, my Father, visit me tonight. My God, my Father, visit me tonight. My Father, visit me tonight. Can you begin to cry? Lord, visit me tonight. Lord, visit my womb. Father, visit finances, Father, visit my testimony. Altar that padlock your destiny, altar that padlock your glory, altar that padlock your job, altar that padlock your testimony, altar that padlock your glory. Let them be destroyed tonight. Let them be destroyed tonight. Ale shatala baba, rekapaya sataya, rekapaya gayana, jekatara boshetaya, rekapala zataya, rekapala gayana. Let them be scattered by fire. 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 Mashata la bayana. Rekata raboshetaya. Rekapaya galana. Rekapashata rababa. Rekapalata raboshia. Rekapalagaya. Tonight say to your children, oh God. 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 Tonight say to them, oh God. Every altar that I've found, every altar that have fought, shatalaba. They said you will not carry your testimony. Every altar that have you ever shataya, that be holding the keys of your blessings. Altars that be holding the keys of your testimony. Altars that holding the keys of your healing. We command this night. Let them catch fire. Let them catch fire. Can you open your mouth? Let them catch fire. Can you open your mouth? Let them catch fire. Can you open your mouth? Let Shatalabashaya visit Araboshia Kapaya. Let them catch fire. Let Kapashataya. Let Kapayataya. That Jesus arise, oh God. Arise, oh God. Arise, oh God. Retalabashataya. Rekapaya Kataya. Rekapaya Gayada. Rekapaya Kataya. Rakada Gayagada. Rekapashataya. Elalala Sataya. Rakapaya Taya. Rezataya Baba. Spiritual padlock, spiritual padlock, spiritual padlock, spiritual padlock. That you also padlock your woman. Alesho kapaya, Izakaya la Ratalaboshia, Rekataya Baba. Let God arise. Rakapashataya, Rekapaya Kataya, Ekadalala. Jesus, destroy that wicked padlock. Jesus, destroy that wicked padlock. Jesus, destroy that wicked padlock. That you also padlock your children glory. That you also padlock your destiny. That you also padlock your marital settlement. That you also padlock your womb by health. Son of David, arise. Son of David, show mercy. In the name of Jesus. Let me pray. I want us to pray this morning. Anywhere I want you to, if you can, tell God, Father, everything that I projected into my body, everything that I projected into my body, Lord, tonight shake them away. Lord, set me free. Everything that I projected into my body, everything the enemy have projected into my body, I want you to, oh Father, shake them out, Father, remove them from my system. Whatsoever the enemy have planted into my body, whatsoever the enemy have planted into my body, today in the name of Jesus, Lord, let it be destroyed. Let it be destroyed. Arrows of barrenness, the enemy have said, arrows of late marriage, let it drop down. Let that sickness drop down. Let that evil padlock drop down. In the name of Jesus, evil padlock of limitation, let it drop now. La shataya is Your head will no longer accept bad things. In the name of Jesus Christ, whatsoever the enemy have planted into your body, whatsoever the enemy have programmed into your body, whatsoever spiritual padlock that used to padlock any part of your body to that be broken. Thank God, visit my foundation. Lord, set you free, oh God. Lord, set you free, oh God. Let's set you free, oh God. May God set you free, oh God. Ishapalaba shataya. Lord, Mokatayaba. Lord, Katayaba. Lord,